What's up, everybody? We are here back in Houston, Texas this weekend. Super excited to be back myself. I've been out for the past 2 weeks. Me and my wife Kaylin, we welcomed the newest addition to our family, little Brexton. Much needed time off to get situated there. Super excited to be back. I was here in October, ran Jurassic Attack, took them the freestyle win. We're looking forward to this weekend and hopefully doing it again. Fans are electric and crazy here. Houston's an awesome stadium, huge floor, and we should have some fun. Picking up some pieces from last weekend in Tampa. Got to change out a front sway bar on my truck. Over time, the trucks, when they twist and the chassis flexes, can occasionally bend the sway bar, and that's what happened here. And then they also tend to lose memory, so they don't have the spring back that they start out with. So changing that out. Got to do some other few odds and ends. I'm gonna grease my sway bar adjusters while I'm at it, clean all that up, keep everything right and tight. Then after that, I got to take my body off. We're gonna be mounting a Rod Ryan body. Here in Houston, they're a big radio talk show, 94.5 The Buzz. Check them out. I'm super honored to run their truck and put on a great event for them, and hopefully we can take home some wins. Got the rest of the season to pick up where we left off. Got to make up for a little bit of points, but hey, that's all right. Mike and Wendy, they're taking care of some fiberglass work from Mike's rollover last weekend. Left rear planetary locked up as soon as he left the backflip ramp, so caused them to corkscrew, demolish the body, but truck's okay. We run fiberglass bodies, multiple pieces, so it's just a matter of patching them back together, and then once they get to a certain point of we can't patch them no more, they just look too ragged, then we swap them out for a brand new one. But until then, try to make the best of them, try to make them last as long as possible. It's a beautiful day here. Hopefully the weather holds out, because we're working outside, and I am super excited to be back and with you guys and share what we do. So if you certainly like what we're doing, be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. If you got any questions, I love the feedback that you guys are giving, and we love doing what we do, so glad to be here. What's up, guys? Sorry I didn't get into content earlier today. Today's race day, if you can't tell. We are at halftime right now. Just got done with racing and two-wheel skills. Made it to semifinals against Colvinard and Black Pearl, and just barely edged me out. Moved on to two-wheel skills and had a nice sky wheelie, doing something different compared to everybody else, and had a nice little stoppy moonwalk. Didn't get too aggressive. Want to try to save the truck for freestyle, so I just got the truck all right and tight. Had to reclock a sway bar adjuster in the rear. Put my freestyle setup for shocks in, and now we're just waiting it out, waiting to go back inside. Mike, he didn't really have much luck. I may or may not have beat him in round one. It was a very close race though, so he's a hard competitor. Can't take nothing away from him. Didn't really have the two-wheel that he was looking for. Dirt crew, they put a little too much water down on the track, so made it for slick conditions and two-wheel. So you might be able to get the truck to pop up, but as far as trying to get the truck to move what you like, it can't because it doesn't have the traction. But anyways, we're gonna go into freestyle and try to have some fun, catch it out. up, guys? Well, that's a wrap for here in Houston. Just finished up. I made it to the semifinals in racing against Cole Vennard. Congrats to him for moving on to the finals. Had a good two-wheel, had a nice sky wheelie. Finished it out with a nice stoppy moonwalk, and then on to freestyle. Had a great freestyle up until a backflip, under-rotated a little bit, pogoed, landed on top of my lid. That was the end of that. I finished third or fourth, can't really remember, but other than some body damage, we are good. Now Mike, on the other hand,
well, yeah, I mean, truck's still in nice mint condition, not a scratch in her. Thanks to the awesome body work my wife did, she looks brand new. Like, we can go out and do another show tomorrow. But the cool thing is, I did a backflip, landed it perfectly, and then just sent her to the moon, and probably got the highest score that I've ever gotten in freestyle, and came out the winner. So, pretty stoked about that. Being here at NRG Stadium, home of Redline Oil and Phillips 66, couldn't represent them any better than we did. Came out on top. Now we just gotta pick up the pieces and get rid of this Rod Ryan body, put the dinosaur back on it, head to Mini, and do the exact same thing again.